Next is again true or false. Let's start. First one, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta into cos of 90 minus theta into cos theta the whole upon sec of 90 minus theta minus cos theta into sin of 90 minus theta sin theta upon cosec of 90 minus theta equals to 0. We have to find whether this is true or false. Okay. So focus on, here there are three terms, first, second and third. So focus on the second term now. First is okay, there is no problem in this. Second we have to look at it. What is second? Sin theta, okay. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta and cos theta again over here upon sec of 90 minus theta. Now what is sec of 90 minus theta? Cosec theta. How? See this. Sec theta equals to cosec of 90 minus theta and cosec theta equals to sec of 90 minus theta. Pi by 2 means 90. Pi is in radians and these 90 is in degrees. Okay, it's one and the same thing. So what we get? Second term, sin theta into sin theta again into cos theta upon sec of 90 minus theta cosec theta. Alright. Now third term, cos theta as it is, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, again sin theta and cosec of 90 minus theta is sec theta. Okay. Only second and third term focus on that. First term as it is, cos theta sin theta minus, now what this becomes? Sin square theta cos theta into sin theta means what? From where did this sin theta come? Cosec theta is the inverse of sin theta. So if you convert it into sin theta, it will come up in the numerator. Similarly, this sec theta will come up as cos theta afterwards. See this third term. So what it becomes? Cos square theta into sin theta into cos theta. Right? Cos square means this cos square and this cos now again came up. So what does it become next? Cos theta sin theta as it is and this becomes minus sin cube theta cos theta minus cos cube theta sin theta. Right? Okay. Move on. Equals to cos theta sin theta minus, take sin theta cos theta common now. What remains inside? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Right? Sin square from here, cos square from here. Getting it? Next. Equals to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta means one and the same thing. Equals to 0. So that is equal to what? RHS. So the statement is true. Okay. Next. If A and B are complementary angles, then sin A equals to root of cos A upon sin B minus cos A into sin B. So here A and B are complementary means what? A plus B equals to 90, right?